So you're looking for a drone that's portable and easy to use. Well, you're in luck because today I'm reviewing the Bwine Mini drone. It's a game changer. This thing is so cool. I've been flying it around all day, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. It's a drone, a really small one, that you can take with you wherever you go, which is perfect for adults and beginners who want to get into drone photography. The compact design makes it easy to toss into a backpack or purse, and the lightweight construction means you won't even notice it's there. So let's break down the specs. It weighs 249 g, which is super light. The resolution is 8K, which is insane. It can shoot video at 4K per 30 frames per second. The flight time is 96 minutes, which is crazy long. It has a transmission range of 6 kilometers, and the top speed is 31 miles per hour, which is really fast. The 8K resolution is particularly impressive, as it allows for crystal clear images and video that's perfect for capturing stunning landscapes or intimate moments. The 4K video at 30 frames per second is also great for creating smooth and seamless footage, whether you're filming a sunset or a family gathering. I've been using it to capture some amazing footage. It's so easy to fly, and the video quality is incredible. The drone is also equipped with a range of features that make it easy to use, including GPS stabilization, which helps to keep the drone steady and level, even in windy conditions. The drone also has a range of pre-programmed flight modes, including a Follow Me mode, which allows the drone to track your movements and capture stunning footage from unique angles. In the real world, this drone has a ton of potential uses. For example, if you're a real estate agent, you could use it to capture stunning aerial footage of properties, which would be a huge selling point for potential buyers. Alternatively, if you're a filmmaker or videographer, you could use it to capture unique and dramatic footage that would add an extra layer of depth and complexity to your projects. The drone is also great for outdoor enthusiasts who could use it to capture stunning footage of their hikes, bike rides, or other adventures. Overall, I'm really impressed with this drone. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's a great product. The combination of portability, ease of use, and stunning video quality makes it a must-have for anyone looking to get into drone photography. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this drone is sure to impress. So if you like this review, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let's get this drone in the air. I'm excited to see what kind of creative and innovative uses people come up with for this drone, and I'm looking forward to sharing more of my own experiences with it in the future.